Welcome to International Corporate Conclave 2024 organized by Business Connect magazine. This is Kajal Rupal, your host for today. As you can see, I'm sitting with my special guest, Mr. Vikash Sharma, CEO of SparxIT Solutions. Thank you so much for joining us today, Vikas.
Thank you for having me here, Kajal, and I'm pleased to be here and giving this interview.
Pleasure is all ours. So, without any further ado, I would like you to shine some light on the company profile and services, Vikas. So, please go ahead.
Sure. Thank you, Kajal. We are actually an end-to-end software development company, but just like this is the time of transformation. So our focus is actually into digital transformation. So we help businesses transform from a physical space to a digital space. We help companies who are actually using the old software. We help them transforming into the new softwares, changing the technologies and all. And of course, cybersecurity is something where our experience and expertise lies, where we help enterprises, mid-sized companies to ensure that their compliances and their security is intact.
Okay, Vikas. So, when talking about the trends, industrial trends, we are talking about. So, what kind of changes you are foreseeing in the industry, and how would you like to adapt to them accordingly in the future ahead? Would you like to talk about that as well?
Sure, Kajal. So, like blockchain is something which I see like this is here since a decade now, and blockchain as a technology is actually something which is going to change the entire industry in next decade. But because in technology today's fanboy is artificial intelligence. So yes, for sure, artificial intelligence is something which is actually trending a lot, and we as a business also helping our customers to adopt AI in their businesses. We are making them powered. If whatever software and the application they have, the businesses they have, we are helping with our AI technologies, our expertise to make them ready for the future.
That's fantastic to know, Vikas. So, moving ahead to my next question, that would be about like when it comes to your focused industry, okay, how would you like to put forth the solutions that you're providing and addressing the pain points with the help of the technology? So, would you like to shine some light on this aspect as well?
Sure, Kajal. So uh, if I talk about focus industry, healthcare is something where we are very good at, and we have a lot of case studies that we have built for healthcare. We have helped a lot of businesses, especially in United States. And when we talk about healthcare, HIPAA and compliances comes at the forefront of any business, and we believe that through our expertise in the compliances, cybersecurity, and the understanding and the experience for healthcare businesses, building software for them, this is something where we look our future as a company, and where we believe that we can help healthcare companies to ensure that they have a secure product, they have a compliant product around healthcare. So that is something where we focus more as a company, and that is where we help our customer to solve their pain points, where usually if they are not HIPAA compliant, or if they are not secured enough, then there are lots of fines, and the business, the trust that they may lose just because they are not compliant, just because they are not secured. So that is how we solve our healthcare customers pains, and that is where we are very good at.
That's truly inspiring to know. And moving ahead, you being the CEO of the organization, our global audience out there is very much curious to know your leadership mantra or any kind of leadership advice that you would like to be conveyed from this platform. So please let us know about it.
Sure. So I believe that empathy should be the center point of every leadership. And I started my journey from being a software engineer, and from there to this position where I started my own venture with my friends. Uh, that empathy is something that we have always kept in the center. So when we are working with our people, or with the businesses or the customers, that is something that we keep as our a key value that we always try to give to our customers. And so empathy is something that I believe every leadership should follow.
That's truly remarkable to know, Vikas. So, due to time constraint, definitely we won't be able to ask you more questions. But before putting an end to this conversation, Vikas, I would like you to share your key takeaways from this conclave, and how would you like to provide us your feedback to the Business Connect?
Okay, so the audience is definitely great. I like we have been participating in the events of Business Connect previously also, but this is the first time I'm appearing here, and the kind of audience and the people, the speakers that I'm seeing, this has been an eye opener to hear all of them, and the kind of insights that I have got. This is actually very inspiring, and I just wish you guys a lot of luck, and my wishes that you guys do such great events where you are helping businesses to come together, talk about the technology, talk about the future, and this is very very good together and talk with the people, like-minded people. So this is very good. Thank you for having me here, and this has been a good day for me for sure.
So thank you so much for this, precious feedback, Vikas. We hope to see you again in our upcoming events as well, and we wish you all the best for future endeavors and your company. Thank you so much for providing us your, precious time. Thanks.
Thank you, Kajal.